Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mom's Corner. Today I am going to share my experience with the Flinto class. I recently enrolled my 2.5-year-old child in Flinto class. So the first month of Flinto class has been over. So many of you have seen the Flinto class ad in many social medias like Facebook. So they have various plans. For 1 month it is around 3000, for 3 months it's around 6500, and there are 6 months 10 months plan also. So as the duration of the plan increases, the price is reduced per month. So I enrolled in a 3 months plan. So now I am going to share my experience regarding the first month of the Flinto class. So this is the box I received for the first month subscription. So the first month theme they have given it as Market Explorer. So this is the schedule. So this is the schedule for a 1 month plan. So we have around, so the class will be on every alternate days, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. On Saturday and Sunday there will be no activity class. So these are the schedule for the first month. So there are nearly 11 days with various sessions. So for each day there is 2 sessions or 3 sessions. So this is given as a schedule. So this is the last month's activity schedule. So inside the box, so this month's schedule has been over. So most of the activities have been completed by my child. So these are the common materials that is given along with the month box, that is the Flinto class box. So this is the apron for the child when doing the messy activities. This is a messy mat. So this is for doing the painting activities or coloring activities. So this is the powder paint they give along with every Flinto class, I suppose, every month's box. So this contains various colors like green, yellow, orange, pink, red colors. So these colors are organic, and also we have a acacia glue. So this is an organic glue. So these can be mixed with a little amount of water, and it can be it is easily washable. The stains will go easily, and we can do any fingerprinting activity or any pasting activity with this acacia glue. So I think this powder paint is wonderful, and there is still some powder remain in my first month of box, so I can use it during other time also. So these are the common material received with every Flinto class box, I think. And next, this is a activity sheet and sticker sheet. So here we have a set of activities for each day. So in a activity there will be the date and the session number will be mentioned. So this is a day 2 activity. So it is a coloring activity. So here we have to count as well as we have to color. So the child will learn counting and coloring, as well as while coloring their motor skills will improve. So these are the activities, but for a 2.5-year-old child, so this activity is for any child between 2.5 to 3.5-year-old child. So for a 2.5-year child, I think this counting and coloring is little difficult, but if your child is around 3 years, it will be perfect, apt for their age. And some alphabets also they introduce, like O, G and Q have been introduced, and these are the shapes. So shapes also include circle shape, triangle shape, square shape. So these are separate stickers, so that will be available separate sticker, and child will have to recognize the shape and has to paste in the correct box. So the main thing in Flinto classes, it always needs it should be accompanied by either one of the parents, either their mom or dad should accompany while the child attends the class. And here also, here we have to recognize the size of the shoes as well as the color of the shoes, and you have to match it, and the stickers should be pasted here. So through this the child will learn the colors and big and small sizes, everything. So this is a day 12 activity. So these are the some of the activities. I don't have other activities. And again we have a journal book. So this is the journal book. So here we have the coloring. So these paintings are done using this is a day 1 activity. It is done using powder paints, and these are crayons. See, actually most of the these colors are given by me, these are given by my child. So I think this coloring activity is little too much for a 2.5-year baby. And here we also have tracing, like slanting line tracing, and here we have sleeping line tracing activity, so which is a little higher for my child. So here pasting the buttons for frogs. So here also it involves counting activity. Here we have to count and paste the numbers, so they will start recognizing the numbers. So these are counting the shoes and coloring. So these are the journal book, and they also give some 2 story books which will be covered in 2 separate days. And these are the lacing activities. So these fruits are given and there will be 2 holes, and the child should lace it using a shoelace. The shoelace will also be provided within the box. So we have to so what we generally do is we have to be prepared before each class. They will say what are the things we need, and we have to take all the day bags ready, and as the class goes on we have to give these things to the child. So this lacing activity is very interesting for my child, and there was a lacing activity we did with the flowers also. And this is peeling of oranges. So the child will learn the letter O, and the letter O is for orange. And next, since the theme for this month is Market Explorer, this is the shopping bag. So in the shopping bag also these painting like apples, mangoes and bananas are did by with the powder paint by my child. And they also give a money purse, and inside this there are some, I hope you see, there are some pretend money, so the child can pretend and play regarding the regarding shopping and markets. And this is how it comes. So for each day there will be a bag like this. So this is day 9 bag. So for each day there will be a bag like this. So if it is day 1, you have to keep the day bag ready along with the common materials. So the common materials in the box are the powder paints, everything. So this is another one story book. So this is a picture book. So here the child will see most of the pictures, and here also we have done a sticker activity. And we also have a this is what I said. So this is the flowers, lacing the flowers activity. So this is also done using a shoelace, and this is the shape of O, to learn the shape of O. So apart from this day activities, so this day bag contains some puzzles. So I have keep it aside so that she can play later also. So this is pasting the keeping the puzzles to the puzzling activity. And these activities, there are bonus activities also. So on the other days, like when there is no class on Tuesdays or on Thursdays, we will be given some bonus activities. So for some bonus activities we will be given separate materials, and for some bonus activities it is the repetition of the class. So here this is the bonus activity she did using orange color powder paint. So and another bonus activity is 8 to 9. So this is the first month themes. So the theme is Market Explorer themes box. So according to me, if you are enrolling a 3-year child for this program, it is okay, but for a 2.5-year-old child, some activities seems to be little higher, but anyhow as she grows like around some 34th or 35th month, she will be able to pick up all the activities. But now she is able to recognize most of the colors, most of the shapes, and she is able to draw standing line, sleeping line. So this class will be only for 1 hour. So the remaining time of the day you have to think innovatively to engage your child. So that's it for the day. So I will post the unboxing of the next month's Plinto class box in my next video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.